In the high-stakes world of military aviation, one principle remains constant: reliability. And that reliability begins where you least expect it, deep inside the nervous system of an aircraft, its electrical wiring system. Hey everyone, and welcome back to InterConnect Wiring, where connections matter. I'm Steve Floyd, Program Manager, and today we're diving into how we're future-proofing aircraft systems, starting with one of the most legendary aircraft still flying to this day, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 has been a frontline fighter since the late 70s, and it's still flying critical missions around the world today. But like any system, its wiring ages, and mission requirements keep evolving. That means more power, better data handling, and higher resilience to things like electromagnetic interference. Here at InterConnect Wiring, we're not just replacing old wiring, we're engineering new life into legacy platforms. InterConnect Wiring has handled hundreds of redesign changes to support the Block 70-72 flight line, building for today's needs and tomorrow's technology. We use high-performance insulation materials like TKT insulated wiring, enhanced EMI shielding, and built-in data bus and high-speed signal capability to handle the ever-expanding world of the avionics systems. Given the budgetary and logistical constraints of an immediate F-35 transition, the United States Air Force and allied nations are investing heavily in F-16 modernization programs to ensure the viability in modern combat environments. The F-16 Block 70-72 is a significant modernization effort adopted by multiple allied nations, including Greece and Taiwan. Some of their key enhancements include upgraded radar systems, compatibility with 5th generation networks, ensuring interoperability with F-35s and other advanced platforms, integrated Viper Electronic Warfare Suite, or IVEWS, to give the F-16 electronic warfare capabilities on par with 5th generation aircraft. IVEWS, successfully tested in 2024, and another platform InterConnect Wiring has supported, is another critical component of the F-16's service life extension strategy. It ensures that F-16s remain relevant by countering advanced radar-guided threats, providing superior situational awareness and self-protection, enhancing survivability in contested airspace. InterConnect Wiring is a direct supporter of both IVEWS and the Block 70-72 programs. Yeah, I mean, everything we do is about keeping these aircraft not only in the air, but also as far ahead of the curve as we possibly can.
Yeah, Steve, we're always thinking 20 years down the road. When we build a harness today, we're thinking about how it can support systems and technology that doesn't exist today.
When you upgrade an aircraft's wiring system, you're upgrading its entire mission capability. That's why the work we do here at InterConnect Wiring is so critical. We wire for the reliability, survivability, and innovation. Platforms like the F-16 and F-15 and even next generation fighters depend on future-ready wiring, and we're proud to be ones that are building it. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into future-proofing aircraft wiring systems. If you're a defense contractor, program lead, or just curious about how we keep legacy aircraft flying smarter, call InterConnect Wiring and ask for Steve. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for more future videos, articles, and updates.